Welcome to Blackjack Special.
Yo, you know what it is? Blackjack Special, back with another video. So yeah, guys, today's video is just gonna be talking about the short shifter that I have in the car. I had someone who commented asking me questions about the short shifter, and I actually told him that I do recommend the short shifter. I like having a short shifter, but I also did say that it was a little bit rough to drive on a daily. But I'm changing my opinion on what I think about the short shifter. Since I had it now for the past month and a half, like really driving the car, playing around with the car, I've been noticing some things. I actually think it's not the greatest for your car. But anyways, we're gonna get into it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the car wash, clean up the car as usual, and then we're gonna go for a nice drive. Maybe even get you guys some nice exhaust clips. Try and put the GoPro on the outside this time so you guys can get some proper videos. And I just want to say I apologize for not posting for the past, I think it's been a full week and you guys haven't got a video from me. Just been very busy. So yeah, let's get into this. Let's do this.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet.
So she's sitting at right now, so we got her cleaned up. Just gonna go for a drive. So I finally got the GoPro. Try to get it on the back here so I can get some proper exhaust song for you guys. All right, I'm just gonna go inside. Let's get in here, start this thing up. All right, fucking air in this motherfucker. Whew. Oh, smell that gas. My good. Okay guys, all right, so let's talk a little bit about the short shifter here. All right, so like I was saying, one of my subscribers left a comment asking whether this should go with the short shifter or not. Do I recommend the short shifter? So I did respond to that comment. I did say I know short shifters could be a little bit rough. I know a lot of people complain about them, but I would still recommend it because I like the short shifter. So the reason why I'm doing this video was because I went out the other night, took the car for a drive, me and a friend, and yeah, the short shifter was giving me a lot of problems, actually, to be honest, right? Like I was having issues getting into gear, you know, especially at high speed when I'm faster. The short shifter is just, you know, it's just messing up all the time. And I've been driving this car, like I own this car for like what, 6-7 years now. So I mean, I know how to drive this car, right? I know it was parked for like 4 years or whatever, but you know, I know I don't have any problems when I'm in the Civic shifting, but whenever I'm in the G, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like when I'm trying to hit fourth, it just won't go a lot of times, right? It's like I feel like I'm a rookie, like I can't find the gear, but it's not me. It's a short shifter, right? It's just a little bit too rough, too difficult. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I'm not a fan of it. So I'm actually gonna look into getting rid of the short shifter and maybe go back to the original, right? I'll keep the shift knob, but I'm gonna go back to the original and get rid of the short shifter. It's a little bit too much, you know, so it looks good, it's cool, but yeah, we're zonking this. Right, so we're not gonna go with the short shifter, but anyways, we're gonna go for a drive and see, you know, play around with the car a little bit, give you guys some nice exhaust noises and shit, like, you know, do some I can't even get to do some flyby for you guys because I don't have anyone else here, it's just me. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna go for a drive and try and enjoy the car. Finally got the GoPro hooked up at the back, so let's see if we can, you know, get some better clips, you know.
You go over that way?
Alright guys, just got back. I'm home right now. I'm gonna have to end the video right here. Yeah, apologize for the lack of content, the lack of videos. Just been really busy trying to sort some stuff out. Got a kid on the way soon. So yeah, you know how it is. Gotta get everything together. But yeah, guys, next video should be proper. We should get some more drives at the G. Maybe we'll get a reaction video for the next one. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You know what it is, Blackjack Special. Peace.